Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton. Thank you very much for joining me. Well, the bears have growled very loudly over the last 24 hours on Friday, and the market plummeted to a low of 70.68 from a high of 71.21. It is assessed that from the bearish outside range day, further confirmation came through when it went through the 60-day moving average. Along with that, the market has now claimed its target of 70.60.70 from, I mentioned, from the low of 70.68. With the objective now reached, I am sitting now neutral for the next 24 hours. I'd like to see how the market plays from the rebound of 70.60.70 this morning and see if the market can take the journey back towards 71.45.55, which I still believe it could actually contain any further advance. Now, do note, if we see a break beneath 70.60, this would expose the region of 69.5, and from a technical implications, the bears are still holding to the helm, therefore could see pressure returning to this level. Also note is the fact that tomorrow we do have the RBA rate decision, but more importantly is the RBA statement. So let's see how the market plays. It could be relatively quiet until fresh views maybe be established after the 2:30 announcement tomorrow. Once again, the bears defend the region of 114.45.65. It is assessed that from the outside range day we are getting a little bit more confirmation coming through, but not strong enough yet to support from a technical point. Therefore, I will not discount another test towards that region around 114 to 114.45 to 65. But one thing to note though is that the dollar index, which some of you may or may not know, is measured against the greenback strength of 6 major currencies, and the euro is at 57.6 weighted to the US dollar, is that the target of 96.40 was reached on Friday, with the index posting a high of 96.46. If we can get further bullish traction and see a break higher above 96.45, then this would see a target of 97.40, and on the flip side see the euro drop down towards the region of 112.50. I still like to sell my strategy, that is, into this region of 114. As we can see, many attempts have failed, and I do expect to see, once again, fresh challenges to also fail. Well, the dollar yen is not backing away from the target to the upside of 111.60 after breaking through it on Friday. The market will be a little bit nervous this week because we do have the US non-farm payrolls report for February, which is expected to show 185,000 new jobs and an unemployment rate lower from 4% to 3.9%. But the wage data will be particularly closely watched at a time when inflation remains low. It is assessed that the market is now looking for 0.3 forecast, which was previously 0.1. So see how that plays out. That's this Friday. From the break of 111.16, the market is now exposed towards the region of 112.40.45. But we are getting overbought. We could soon see a turnaround and therefore look towards the region of 111.65 down towards 110.80. The pound is backed away further, and as you can see from the challenge of 133.50, now exposes the region to the challenge of 132.15 to 131.50. From a technical point though, I don't have a strong enough strategy to put in place to support any direction, because the RSI is still maintained above the midway point, which could still see another challenge towards that 133.5 level. So therefore, for now, I'd rather sit out and see how the market plays into today and early tomorrow morning. For some of us, the gold didn't come out as expected, and the market crushed the level of 1,312, which was this up channel, and instead fell $25 to roughly a 2.5% fall. The market took out levels all the way down to as low as 1,290. It is assessed at present that no view holds, and the fact is we are oversold, but I would like to see how the market plays out. We could still see this market tumble a bit further because it has taken out a significant level and therefore could fall towards the region of 1,280 to 83. But as I said, I don't have a view, and I'd rather see how the market plays out intraday for now. The oil reached its target on Friday of $58 and within a blink of an eye rejected that level and plummeted 2.5%. From the rejection of 58, now exposes a region of 54.95 to 55.25, and a break beneath there would give further scope down towards $52. So do be aware from your risk management side that if you are trading from the long side, that the break could easily see a very sharp tumble. While intact though, let's not discount further tests towards the top side at $58, as a break above there would give scope towards 61. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day and a great start to the new week.